K&S Services is a leading industrial repair company in North America. Founded in 1982, we're known for our overall service and quality, which we have achieved a quality rate of 99.4% across all our repair commodities. Our experienced trained technicians can repair a wide array of laser scanners and light curtains, including SICK PLS 101, S3000, the S30A series, and the CLV series. Our ISO certified repair process begins with a thorough evaluation to identify probable causes of failure and display errors, including cabling issues and incorrect pin assignments. All repairs include a new front screen and seal and a new I/O and power supply module if needed. All faulty components are replaced with new OEM or OEM equivalent parts. We can even supply original SICK accessories, including mounting brackets, connection plugs, and cables. Once the item is approved, our normal turnaround time is between 10 and 15 working days. K&S also offers expedited services for emergencies that can be turned around in 24 to 48 hours. After repairs are complete, we calibrate and test the scanner using SICK OE software, which simulates how the scanner will operate when it's placed back into service. This testing helps us ensure the repaired component meets or exceeds OEM specifications. We'll also factory reset the scanner to minimize safety risks. When we ship your scanner system back to you, we'll include a comprehensive report detailing the probable cause of failure, recommended preventative maintenance, and a list of repaired or replaced components. We also back repaired components with a 12-month in-service warranty. Turn to K&S Services for safe and reliable SICK scanner repairs. Call or visit us online today to request a quote.